Rutger, thanks very much for joining us here at Provada. It would be good just to, I think, to get a quick update on ParkBee. What's happening?
Well, ParkBee has been through exciting times. As you know, we are, since the beginning of this year, recovering from COVID, so the revenue is back again. So every week we have our new weekly highest revenue, so that's good news. We also closed a big funding round. We have a very good investor with a huge international network, and his funds help us to grow further, also internationally. And today we are now preparing the company, until the next funding round. So it's quite exciting.
And what are you seeing in terms of looking at the market here? I know that you're working across Europe, but what are you seeing as some of the sort of challenges, I suppose, at the moment?
Actually, we have a few challenges. One is we need to drive more value to parking spots, because that is the core of our added value for real estate investors. And secondly, I want real estate investors to open up their real estate portfolio and their parking assets to ParkBee, because I am pretty sure we can add a lot of value.
And in terms of the cities, what are you seeing from their point of view in terms of mobility, car usage? Because obviously that's a key area for you.
I'm convinced that cities will face the biggest transitions in the next 10 years. Also 10 years ago we predicted that mobility would change. If I look back, that was rather slowly, but the speed of that process is growing faster and faster in the last period. So the next 10 years we see a massive transition towards more EV cars, more car sharing, and also different usage and different needs of mobility. And I think parking locations are crucial to facilitate that mobility transition in the municipalities.
Yeah, I think it's going to be really interesting to see how that develops, particularly as we see different forms of transportation emerge and also different types of energy as well. Thanks very much for joining us.